Hi everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Please subscribe if you get a chance. Today's video we're going to go over the ZD Racing MT-8. It's the 1/8 scale monster truck. This one I picked up as a rolling chassis, no electronics. Had my own that I wanted to slap in there. This was the best deal that I found. And what this is kind of like a Pirates 2/3 hybrid. And the main thing is the insides is the updated version, and this is actually the manual that comes with it. You can see Pirates 3 MT-8, and the only thing is they give you a Pirates 2 body, which isn't a big deal. But I'll give you a look inside. This does have the updated orange metal components, shock towers, shocks, braces, lugs, so basically comes rolling chassis. You can see it in my unboxing video, but I did supply my own 120 amp ESC, my own 4274 brushless motor. In here, because it's a monster truck, I wasn't intending to, but this was the servo I had on hand. It's a 35 kg servo, and it actually makes sense because it's got to turn these giant wheels, and it actually works pretty well. So I'm happy with the build. The only thing is I don't have a servo saver, so I might kill this thing with any hard landings or jumps on the wrong angle. But no worries, I'll figure that out when and if that happens. Other than that, this thing came together really easily. You just have to install the servo into the housing, which also holds your receiver in here, so it's, I guess, semi-waterproof. And then of course your ESC and motor. Nice thing is that the motor mount is just this plate that attaches to the motor and then slides into this bracket, and there's two screws holding it for adjustment, and there's a decent amount of adjustment in there. I was able to get a 17 tooth pinion gear in there from the stock 13, I believe it is. And this thing's got torque. It's got a punch, and I'm excited to show you in the running video. But to give you an idea about the size, they do claim 1/8, and it's really not that big. Here it is next to the Traxxas Fiesta, which they say is a 1/10 scale. So it is significantly wider, you can see, but the wheelbase is actually very similar. So yeah, it's not the biggest, but it is very cool. And because it's got a short wheelbase, this thing has some tricks up its sleeve. The only thing I'm not big on is the body, which I'm figuring out right now, and I'll probably have changed shortly. But I'll get this running video up for this shortly. But again, I do recommend it. I think with my discounts I got it for like $135 for the rolling chassis, and you can piece out your own components for a lot cheaper, and this one's worth it. This is the ZD Racing 9116, and again, look at the differences in the chassis. This one, you'll note, has the plastic braces. Not a big deal. I think it'll give a little bit of flex, so things won't snap as easily, but we'll find out. And I got that bashing video up with the JLB. I'll probably try to do similar things with this, or we'll see. But the cool thing is, it's nice to have a different style. You saw me pick up the short course truck, got my rally car, got the monster truck. The JLB is kind of like a stadium truck. but they all have a different feel and all have a different purpose, but I'm excited to show you what this thing can do. Alright, thanks for watching.